Did you know you could actually clear your pimples and acne using Dettol Antiseptic? Well, Dettol Antiseptic specifically can be used to clear body acne, eczema, skin rashes, and much more in just a few days. Hey loves! Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new and you haven't yet seen my face, hello, my name is Terry and I'd love it if you'd be able to hit the subscribe button down below to join the family. And if you're already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys exactly how to use Dettol Antiseptic to clear your pimples, body acne, eczema, skin rashes, and the list of skin diseases goes on and on and on. I'm also going to be taking you through how to use it correctly and safely in order to be able to get to the maximum results and benefits from using your Dettol Antiseptic. And this is just to help you get clearer, much more radiant looking skin. So do make sure to stay tuned to the very end of this video. I don't know if you guys experienced this as well, but Dettol Antiseptic is one of the things that must always be present in your prospectus, especially if you went to boarding school here in Ghana. And apparently they had the right idea all along, because Dettol Antiseptic is amazing when it comes to clearing skin diseases. It can also be used to treat cuts, bites, burns, dandruff, pimples, and so much more. And before I show you guys how this is done, please remember that this video is not from a medical standpoint. It's actually from personal experience and also from studies off of some research materials that are also available online. So feel free to also read up on your own to make sure that you are versed with what is going on, especially with products that you're going to be applying onto your skin. Make sure to understand exactly how each and every product works before you go in and purchase it or use it on your skin. And lastly guys, remember to patch test this particular product and also any other skincare products. As I always say in my videos, remember to patch test and make sure that this product works well with your skin before you go ahead and apply it onto your entire face, even if the product is recommended by a dermatologist. Also, in case you don't know how to patch test, I'm going to leave a direct link to a video in my description box down below showing you guys step by step how to patch test any product that you use. So feel free to check my description box down below. So now that the disclaimer is out of the way, let's get started. For my sensitive skin babes, if Dettol doesn't sit well with you, there are other milder options than Dettol Antiseptic, and that is Camel and Septol. So you can also try out these antiseptics and I'm sure you are going to get similar results to using the Dettol Antiseptic. Because they are not as strong as Dettol Antiseptic, it might take slightly longer for you to start to see results in your skin appearance, but then eventually you're definitely going to start seeing some improvement, a lot of improvement actually, in your skin texture overall. And one of the things I'd like to point out first of all is to never ever use Dettol Antiseptic directly onto your skin. This is so important because it can be counterintuitive, especially if you're trying to treat pimples and acne on your skin. Using Dettol Antiseptic directly can actually give you burns if you're not careful. So putting Dettol directly onto your skin surface is a no-go area. How I use it and how you should also use it is by taking half a cup of Dettol and then fill the rest up with water before applying it onto your skin. Eventually you end up using 1 part water, 1 part Dettol, and do make sure to mix it very well before you go in and apply it onto your skin. And this is to make sure it's not as strong and as potent as the original content, because you do not want to put Dettol directly onto your skin, especially on your face. And even after watering it down, Dettol Antiseptic can be extremely drying, especially if you're using it to treat body acne. So make sure after using your Dettol Antiseptic, you're following up with a moisturizer. I'd highly recommend a hydrating moisturizer to make sure that you have not left your skin to dry out too much. And you also want to make sure that you're not using the Dettol Antiseptic on your face every single day. I mean, 2 to 3 times a week is more than enough, because overuse can end up causing you skin irritation. And another way to use Dettol Antiseptic, and this is the basic way that, and I know a lot of people, even I do occasionally, especially if you're treating body acne, is to mix the Dettol Antiseptic in your bath water. Depending on how much bath water you're going to be using, I typically use a cup full Dettol to a bucket of water. So 1 cup of Dettol in a bucket of water, and this completely dilutes it down so much more to also reduce the potency of the Dettol, and that's basically it. Also, another way to use your Dettol antiseptic, if you want a more effective and straight to the point targeted means to use your Dettol antiseptic, well, here it is. So first of all, you're going to take 1 cup of your Dettol antiseptic and pour it into a container, and then mix it with equal amounts of water. And then from there, you're going to take either a Q-tip or a cotton bud, and then you're going to use that to wipe the affected areas of your face. Most of us know that acne is caused by dirt, bacteria, and clogged pores on your skin. And with this way that I've just showed you, especially if you're dealing with acne all over your face, you can just use this as a toner to wipe your face. So then you go ahead and put the cotton pad into the solution, and once it's absorbed some of the solution, you use that to wipe your face. Or maybe you have a spot pimple that seems to be troubling you. That's when you use a Q-tip to really target that pimple and really focus the solution onto that pimple. After wiping your face, you're just going to wait for about 10 to 20 minutes, and then you go in and rinse it all off. If you're an OG and you feel like your skin can handle it, by all means do you, but I highly recommend that you rinse it off after 10 to 15 minutes. It's not going to be something pleasant to go to bed with on your face. I mostly do this routine at night before I go to bed. So a precautionary measure that I highly recommend is to make sure that you're not using any harsh chemicals prior to using this solution. For instance, going in with an exfoliating toner such as AHAs or BHAs before you go in with this solution. Also, using harsh spin brushes is going to be too harsh for your skin when you're using the Dettol solution. For instance, using tretinoin or high strength benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid, glycolic acid, and other AHAs before or after using this solution is not going to be the best. It's actually going to be too harsh for your skin and might actually end up irritating your skin if you go ahead and do so. And in some cases might end up burning your skin as well. So once you're done with the whole routine, make sure to go in with your everyday skincare routine. That is toner, a hydrating serum, your moisturizer, and also maybe a preferred oil or humectant of your choice. I'm not really particular about when to do this routine as to whether to use it in the morning or at night. I'm pretty sure you can use it either or. Another thing I'd like you to note is the fact that Dettol antiseptic is not going to help you fade your acne scars. This is just basically to treat and clear the bacteria. I'm really sorry to burst your bubble, but in order to be able to clear your acne scars and hyperpigmentation, you'd have to do a little extra work. But using Dettol antiseptic is just a much more affordable alternative to getting salicylic acid, tretinoin, and high-strength benzoyl peroxide to treat your acne, which are known to be much more expensive. So yes, this is just a more affordable alternative. If you're going in to start to use Dettol antiseptic with the hopes that it's going to fade your acne scars, then I'm sorry to disappoint you, but this is not going to work. This is not the right product for that. So you just have to do well to build an effective skincare routine around using your Dettol antiseptic solution. Because the main purpose of the Dettol antiseptic is to clear the bacteria that causes pimples on your skin, and also to help you clean the dirt and also other clogged pores and buildup on your skin that leads to the formation of pimples, acne, and other skincare diseases.